Ones, and welcome back to another video. My name is Charlotta if you're new here, and in this one I'm gonna share with you how to paint sun rays. Now, I posted this video already as it was a collaboration together with Joni Young, and I thought that painting rays is something that might feel quite challenging, but actually it is quite simple. I used acrylic paints to make this painting. It's Winsor & Newton. There's a link in the description below if you want to check that out if you're looking for new paints. And yes, let's jump straight into it. How to paint sun rays. You want to make sure that your painting has dried 100% before you start adding the sun rays. Otherwise your painting will smudge and it will be completely ruined. So make sure that it's 100% dried before you start adding these sun rays. Now, the way I made these on this painting is I used diluted white. So I added quite a lot of water into the white paint, acrylic paint, blended it in, and then I started making straight lines from the center of the sun out towards wherever I wanted the sun rays to land. Now it's up to you to decide how strong you want your sun rays to be. And if you feel like you made some of them too strong, you can still blend them out with a little bit more water before it sets and dries into the painting. Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. I hope that you hit the subscribe if you are new here and if you like this type of videos. I shall see you in the next one. Ha det bra!